In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email in Mailchimp. This process is quick and straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step so you can ensure your email is perfect before sending it out to your audience. Let's get started. First, head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. This is where it all begins. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, you'll want to click on Campaigns. This is your hub for managing all the content you plan to send, whether they be individual emails, sequences, or newsletters. Next, it's time to choose the campaign you want to work on. Maybe you're tweaking an automated email or finishing off a newsletter, but what if you haven't started a campaign yet? No worries, simply hit the Create button, and you'll be able to start a new one from scratch. For those of you with a campaign already on the go, selecting it will bring you to the next phase. Once you've selected your campaign, you'll see an Edit Design button. Click on it to make any necessary changes or give everything a once over. This step is crucial for ensuring that your content looks exactly how you envisioned. If you need to change the layout, update text, or swap images, this is the place to do it. Now that you're in the design editor, look up to the top right corner and click on Preview and Test. Here you'll see an option to send a test email. This is where we move from preparation to action. In the test email pop-up, enter the email address where you want to send the test. If you need multiple people to review, you can add additional addresses by simply separating them with commas. This flexibility is great for team collaborations or getting a second pair of eyes on your draft. If you like, you can add a personal message when sending this test email. This is completely optional, but can help recipients know exactly what they're looking at, especially if you're testing several versions. When you're ready, click Send Test. Your test email is on its way, and now you can focus on ironing out any last-minute tweaks based on your review. Before we wrap up, let me share a few bonus tips. Always be on the lookout for typos and make sure images are aligned properly. It's important to test all the links within your email to ensure they work and direct the recipient precisely where you intend. Don't forget to check that the subject line and pre-header text display as you planned, because they are your email's first impression. And there you have it, sending a test email in Mailchimp is that easy. With these steps, you're well equipped to ensure your emails look and function perfectly before you hit that final send button. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.